Hello, Dr. Darren Wayne here. I am a food scientist and a low-carb health coach. Now, I'm sure you've realized by now just how unhealthy all the low-carb meals are out there. They're completely processed. And unfortunately, even though they're cheap, they actually cause more damage than they're worth. Because when you eat low-carb meals, it's not supposed to be low-carb because the carbs have been stripped away from the food, rendering the food nutritionless and completely unhealthy. It's supposed to be low-carb food that's naturally low-carb because that's how nature made the food. Unfortunately, all the food out there is so processed, so unnaturally stripped of carbs that, yeah, you could find cheap low-carb foods everywhere, but they damage your organs, they damage your pancreas, your heart, your kidneys, and people eat this for years and years, and then they wonder why they're still chronically ill their whole life. It's so important that you eat low-carb food that's actually healthy, that's actually nutritious, and that can, yes, I know, God forbid, prevent chronic illness. Because this is what eating healthy is supposed to do. When you eat processed food your whole life and you think it's healthy but it's not helping you, what do most people say? Oh, well, obviously, there's nothing I could do about it. Well, yes, there is something you could do about it. You could eat naturally low-carb food that's supposed to be naturally low-carb. Not processed in any way, not stripped of the vital nutrition that's in the food, that's in the carbs, but eat food that's already low in carbs. And this is the food that I have provided for you. Please come to mealbetics.com and I'll give you 10 free meals just so I can prove to you how healthy, nutritious, and delicious Mealbetics is. I'll see you there.